Hey, what's up? I'm in Miami right now. I'm at the Moose fabric store. This is my first time being here. I've been to Moose, but only in New York City, but not in Miami, Florida. So I'm gonna go inside and check it out. I'll see y'all later. Bye. I couldn't really film a lot because they have music in the background. So this is the best I could do. They mostly got their evening wear at the main floor, and upstairs is more like cotton and linen, more like casual wear upstairs, and bottom is more like evening wear. I think over there towards the left is like leather and suede. So, and the prices for leather is really reasonable. It's a decent price, like to buy leather there. So I definitely will buy some leather there. These are mostly like satin fabrics. Most, like I say, the main floor was mostly evening wear. I wasn't really interested. I'm not really an evening wear designer. I'm mostly like casual wear. I like the cottons and the linens, that kind of material. So I was looking for that, but they didn't have it downstairs. So I had to go upstairs to get what I really wanted. So they only have like 2 floors. So upstairs is, like I say, mostly cotton and linen and some mixtures of polyester and rayon. Yeah, more like casual wear, and they have more like stretch fabric upstairs, you know. So that's where I was more interested. Hi. In the fabric upstairs. Lots of prints. They have a lot of prints upstairs. Here is mostly cotton that I see in the video right here. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all what I got from Mood Fabric. So I went to Mood Fabric in Miami. I got some muslin. This is like 10 yards of muslin. It's the lightweight muslin. I got lightweight muslin to do evening wear. Yeah, so so it's only $3 a yard, so that was pretty good. I bought denim. Paid $16 a yard for 2 yards. The denim is pretty wide, the fabric. This is also 2 yards of denim. And this is 4 yards of denim. And I bought a roll of oak tack from Moose, and that was it. So it's nice. They don't have a lot of parking space at Moose, and Miami don't have a lot of parking space. But it was okay. I've been to the one in New York many of times, so it was alright. So whenever I need fabric, I can always go to Miami and get some fabrics. So that's pretty much it. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.